So, I bought a new Dyna, and now...
6 Harleys, 7 Harleys, 8 Harleys in this garage.
Is that how you fall asleep? You just count Harleys instead of sheep? This is my 2002 Super Glide. Look at that. Oh, fuck. Call it intro. All right. 2002 Super Glide. I stole this because I don't want to say I bought this. It was highway robbery how much I paid for it. $4,800 for a 2002 16,000 mile mint Super Glide. Look at that. It's fucking dope. Rare paint color, rare model. Look at that. Completely bone stock. So we're gonna ruin it. And ooh, look at that. I'm gonna put under the, oh shit, you're fucking knocking. I'm gonna put under the little thing, ruined Super Glide. I think that's gonna be the new name of this, because I dropped it already. So if you see here, there's a nice little dent. And yeah, we're not gonna talk about that. But anyway, let's look at the exhaust. Just to show what it sounds like idle. Yeah, drive it down. I like it to circulate first. This fits on a 91 to 16 down. Greg? Oh, I know this Dyna. I've seen this Dyna before. What are you doing? That works. Look at that. It's actually autographed.
Pretty cool.
I've seen this guy around. Greg Luska. So look at this. Oh, that's heavy. Feel that. Oh, this is a 2-to-1 Bassani. Probably one of the. This is a lot nicer quality than my Two Brothers exhaust that I had before. So start putting it on now. So look at this.
You got it on?
Yeah, no, I got it off the stock one, and this thing is like at least 20 pounds. Like it is the heaviest thing in the world compared to the Bassani. I'm gonna shed maybe 20 pounds, maybe even more. It feels really heavy, but that maybe weighs less than 10, and this definitely weighs more than 20. So we're gonna get some power out of this bitch. Get more fucking torque out of it and fucking brat, brat, brat. I like it to circulate first. So, if you got this far, right, I have the Bassani on there. It is about 3 weeks after I made the original video. I've been lazy, I didn't do an outro, so this is my outro. Just know the world of difference of respect you get on the road with a loud exhaust is really, really important for safety. So this is not only just something that's aesthetically pleasing, it's a safety hazard. Honestly, you don't want to be caught in the street, you know, driving, someone doesn't hear you, and then God forbid they merge, bing, bam, boom, you're on the floor, and now it's a recipe for just, you know, more accidents. I believe everyone, I mean, there's a fine line between obnoxiously loud, which I still do enjoy, and then being decently loud, so you can warn the other riders, right? Anybody with a car can barely hear a stock motor. So, boom, this is the best thing I've ever bought. I'll tell you why. So, majority of exhausts that I've ever had were black. I used to have a Two Brothers exhaust. The Two Brothers exhaust was not bad, sounded phenomenal, but I would always have, you know, these scorch marks, and it would always look a little, you know, fucked up. And this, the more I use it, the more gold it gets. Granted, I don't think anybody would like that gold burnt look, but I love it. I feel like the more gold it gets, the more cool it becomes. And honestly, just night and day. I love it. It'll continue to get patina. And then what's cool about these stainless steel ones, you take them off, you polish them up, it'll go back to being nice and silver and just dope. So, one little thing about the Bassani, it wasn't really bolt on. It didn't fit right off the bat. But you know what? A little bit of love, a little bit of finagle, and a little bit of grinding right next to my my rear brake is. But you know, I wish I recorded it. I didn't. I was frustrated. But a little bit of grinding, and I was good. I'll show you what's going on. I had to grind this bracket because the reservoir here was just completely pushed, and it was rubbing real bad. So I did some grinding, flattened it out, and now it fits perfect. There's more to the bike. I don't know if anyone sees a difference between the bike in the first couple of scenes and then now. Like I said, 3 weeks later, 2 weeks or 3 weeks later, this is standing in a different form. But I'm not gonna give it to you here. I'll give it to you in the next video. I'm about to do one right now. But follow us, like us, share it. This goes a long way. We have a Instagram, a YouTube, a Facebook, a TikTok, a store, and the store you can scoop these good hats. We have sunglasses, we have stickers, and the more support we get, the more cool things we could do. And then what you'll see soon is just ripping and shredding this cool bike. All right, thank you for watching. We appreciate you all, a handful of you, and see you. What would be the next video coming out right now? Bye.